Question 28, JAMB Mathematics. Find the values of x for which the expression x squared plus 5x minus 14 over x squared minus x minus 30 is 0. Good. There are two ways this question can come. They can say we should find the value of x that will make this fraction be 0. For that type of question, you only deal with the numerator. So you will solve the numerator. Find all the values of x that will satisfy, that will make the numerator become 0. Once numerator is 0, the whole of the fraction becomes 0. So now, another way they can ask this question is to say that find the values of x for which this expression is undefined. So if they use the word undefined, you will only deal with the denominator, because you will solve the denominator, get all the zeros of the denominator, that is the roots of the denominator, because whatever that will make the denominator become 0, anytime the denominator is 0, that means a fraction is undefined. Now, in this type of question, they ask for what will make this to be 0. So we only need to solve the numerator. So let's solve the numerator. X squared plus 5x minus 14. Let's set it to be 0. Now, to solve quadratic equation, to factorize quadratic equation, no need of stressing yourself. Good. Just look at the last digit, which is 14. Break 14 down to factor pair. 1 times 14 will give me 14. 2 times 7 will give me 14. No more numbers. We can't have any other number. So out of these two pairs, from which one can we achieve 5? This can produce 5. These two together can produce 5. 1 and 14 cannot produce 5. Now, how do we achieve 5, positive 5 from here? Good. Is by letting the bigger number be positive and the smaller number be negative. In short, anytime the middle is positive and the last letter and the last term is negative, just make sure that the bigger number among your two numbers should be positive and the smaller should be negative. So now, in this case, I will open a bracket for x minus the smaller one and x plus the bigger one, and that will be equal to 0, because we want the smaller one to be negative and the bigger one should be positive. Finally, just change their sign again. That means x will be equal to this one that is negative before, turn it to positive, or this one that is positive before, turn it to negative. This is the final answer of our factorization. Now, these two numbers are the numbers that will produce 0 for the whole of this expression. So, option B, satisfy. Thank you.